Hi everyone, my name is Arina. So today I'm going to show you the optimized ceiling to match floor to ceiling height. Okay, this feature is for your ceiling modules to allow you to complete ceiling design and then adjust the floor height parameters. It optimizes ceiling matching, recognition, reducing issues like missing light slots or incomplete matches. So currently I have a space of bedroom. So I want to customize ceiling. I go to custom ceiling and then I double click on my ceiling and I make a design here. 100 and this one I make it as 500. Okay, so I drop it for about 150 and then we click complete. Okay, once we click complete, you can see there's a design on the ceiling. Okay, go out from the ceiling custom and then you can see the current height is 2500. So let's say I want to change it to 3000 and see the ceiling is not affected. Okay, the ceiling will refresh to reflect the new floor height. Okay, all right, that's all from me. Thank you.